everyone, my name is Mujahid Watwalyahya. I'm going to discuss the topic 8, which is the Voltaic cells. This is going to show how the Voltaic cells we made in class are able to produce constant flow of electrons. First, we need to take a look at what happens when dry zinc and dry graphite are in contact. Because zinc doesn't hold on to its electrons as tightly as graphite. When zinc and graphite are in contact, a few electrons from the zinc move into the graphite, making the zinc positively charged and making the graphite negatively charged. This movement of electrons stops right away. For the zinc to be able to lose more electrons and for the graphite to be able to gain more electrons, they would both have to go back to being neutral again. Well, how does this happen? This is going to show how the Voltaic cell is able to produce that constant flow of electrons. Here we have zinc on the left and graphite on the right, both submerged in an acid solution and connected together by a conductor through a meter so we can measure the flow of electrons. The zinc atoms are represented here by the atomic symbol Zn, and the graphite, which is made of the element carbon, is represented by its atomic symbol C. When acid is added to water, it forms positive hydrogen ions, represented here by H+. Because the zinc and graphite are in contact through the wires, and a zinc atom loses an electron, giving the zinc a positive charge. In order for the zinc to lose more electrons, it has to go back to being neutral, and this happens when a positive zinc ion dissolves in the water, taking the positive charge with it. This makes the piece of zinc neutral again so now the zinc is able to lose another electron. But let's follow the first electron as it moves through the wire, through the meter, and toward the graphite. When the electrons enters the graphite, it gives the graphite a negative charge. In order for the graphite to gain more electrons, it needs to go back to being neutral. The electron is picked up by a positive hydrogen ion in the acid, making the graphite neutral again in forming hydrogen gas, which bubbles away. This process continues with the zinc losing electrons and then going back to neutral, as a positive zinc ion dissolves in the water, and the graphite gaining electrons and then going back to being neutral by giving the electron to the hydrogen. This continues until the solid zinc is all converted into zinc ions and dissolves into the water, or until the positive hydrogen ions run out. Whichever comes first. When this happens, the flow of electrons stops and the meter goes back to zero. The electrons are moving away from the zinc and toward the graphite. The zinc is the negative thermal of the cell and the graphite is the positive thermal. Thank you for watching.